Is DoorDash refusing to let you satisfy your cravings? Don't worry. We're breaking down the exact steps to get your order placed and your food on its way. First, give the app a quick refresh, close DoorDash completely and reopen it. This can often resolve temporary glitches. If refreshing doesn't work, check the restaurants page in the app, see if they're temporarily closed or not accepting new orders. Look for a message like, "This restaurant is currently unavailable." Next, double-check your payment information. Make sure your card hasn't expired, your address is correct, and that you have sufficient funds available. Update anything that needs it right away. Internet connection issues can also stop an order from going through. Check your Wi-Fi or cellular data connection and make sure you have a strong, stable signal. Try toggling airplane mode on and off. Sometimes DoorDash can be overloaded with cache data. Clear the app's cache. This process will vary slightly depending on your phone. Go to settings, then apps, then DoorDash, then storage, then tap clear cache. When all else fails, contact DoorDash support directly. You can find the contact support option in the app. Explain the issue clearly to an agent, and they may be able to place the order for you or at least tell you why it's being blocked. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most DoorDash order issues and get back to enjoying your favorite meals in no time.